Hi there, good afternoon. Saturday, 1st of November, and an interesting week weather-wise ahead, I think. Today there's a lovely cloud pattern that I love. I've said it before. Open cell convection out to the west, so that means there's a breeze of at least 20 knots out there, and they're bringing showers. So showers coming through today, lovely sunshine in between though, and there'll be a spell of more persistent rain later. I think there's an occluded weather front, so that's showery rain coming in later on this evening and moving west to east. It might get a little heavy across the southwest of the country later on this evening. And then tomorrow should be the same, but sunshine and showers initially, and then later on in the day, again, another spell of rain. I think that's associated with the remnants of Hurricane Melissa. It's not a huge amount of rain, I don't think, coming through Sunday into Monday. Again, the deterministic run, that's the charts I'm showing here. These are the charts you'll see on the internet and on your apps as well. This is the outcome. It's 1 of 51, as I keep saying. It has the rain as an outlier, so it's expecting more rain than might turn up. So again, I think you best use the metagrams and look at those barrels to see how the spread of rainfall is likely to turn out. That's Sunday into Monday. Then out in the Atlantic, there's what we call an elongated trough. There's a little area of low pressure developing on that, and it's likely to bring some rain. I think Tuesday itself will be mostly dry. Again, some showers around, but later on Tuesday and into Wednesday, some more rain. When that goes through on Thursday, I think we're in between weather systems. So we've got what's called a transient ridge. That's where the high pressure trying to send up high pressure up over the country, but it's getting caught between passing areas of low pressure. So there's a big area of low pressure developing, and this is where I start getting interested, out into the mid-Atlantic midweek, steering through what looks like it could be a warm conveyor. So that's when a warm plume of air is moved up across the Atlantic on a for all intents and purposes, what looks like a conveyor belt. So that's, we used to describe these weather features with the Norwegian model. That's warm front, cold front, occluded front, but the thinking now is that it's the transition and movement of the warm air up on this conveyor, that because there's cold air then tucking in behind it as it comes back down again. So that's an interesting feature to watch out for on the end of the week, Thursday into Friday. But again, this is all just one run of the computer model, so it could change, but it looks fairly interesting. And these big features, these big weather systems, are more predictable than the movement of the low pressure systems and the showers and the individual small meteorological features. So they're more interesting to watch for me. Sinead, slán go fóill.